Hello and welcome to the first official episode of Marine Biology in 5 minutes. I'm your host, Emily Colgan, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of sea turtles. This episode is the introduction to a special series where we'll explore each of the 7 different types of sea turtles, their unique characteristics, and the challenges they face. Well, sea turtles have roamed our oceans for over 100 million years, making them some of the most ancient creatures on Earth. Among the 7 species of sea turtles, there's the leatherback, the green, the hawksbill, the loggerhead, the Kemp's ridley, the olive ridley, and the flatback, and each play a vital role in maintaining the health of marine ecosystems. For example, green turtles are herbivores and primarily feed on seagrass. By grazing on these underwater meadows, they help keep the seagrass beds healthy and productive, which is essential for providing habitats for a variety of marine life. The hawksbill turtle, on the other hand, feed on sponges and help maintain the balance of coral reef ecosystems. Without sea turtles, these ecosystems could become unbalanced, leading to declines in biodiversity. One of the most amazing aspects of sea turtles is their incredible migratory journeys. Some species, like the leatherback turtle, travel thousands of miles across the open ocean, from the cold waters of the North Atlantic to the warmer tropical beaches where they nest. Leatherbacks can dive to depths of over 4,000 feet, making them the deepest diving reptiles in the world. Female turtles return to the same beach where they were born to lay their eggs, sometimes traveling over 10,000 miles round trip. This instinctual behavior is truly remarkable and shows the incredible navigational abilities of these animals, which are believed to rely on the Earth's magnetic field to find their way, much like birds. However, sea turtles face numerous threats, many of which are linked to human activities. The first ones being around climate change. Rising global temperatures are causing sea levels to rise and increasing the frequency of severe storms. This leads to the erosion of nesting beaches, making it harder for females to find suitable places to lay their nests. Additionally, the temperature of the sand where the eggs are buried determines the sex of the hatchlings. Warmer sands produce more females, which could skew the sex ratio and affect future populations. Some studies predict that certain sea turtle populations could become almost entirely female within the next few decades, which could make it difficult for these populations to sustain themselves in the long term. Now, plastic pollution. Our oceans are inundated with plastic waste, and sea turtles are particularly vulnerable. They often mistake plastic bags for jellyfish, which are one of their favorite foods. Ingesting plastic can lead to blockages in their digestive system, causing malnutrition or even death. In fact, studies have found that more than half of all sea turtles have ingested some form of plastic. Furthermore, entanglement in plastic debris such as discarded fishing nets, often referred to as ghost nets, can restrict their movement, making it difficult for them to surface for air or escape predators. This can result in drowning or severe injuries. Despite these challenges, there are many efforts underway to protect these sea turtles. Conservation programs around the world are working to safeguard nesting sites, reduce bycatch in fishing gear, and clean up plastic pollution. For example, in Costa Rica, night patrols on nesting beaches help protect eggs from poachers and ensure that hatchlings make it safely to the sea. Additionally, many organizations are raising awareness about the importance of reducing plastic use and supporting sustainable practices. In some areas, turtle excluder devices, or TEDs, are being used in fishing nets to allow turtles to escape if they are accidentally caught. As individuals, we can also make a difference. Reducing our plastic consumption, participating in beach cleanups, and supporting conservation efforts are all ways we can contribute to the protection of these incredible animals. Opting for reusable bags, bottles, and straws may seem like small steps, but they significantly reduce the amount of plastic that ends up in our oceans. Participating in or organizing local beach cleanups not only helps to remove plastic waste, but also raises awareness in our communities about the impact of pollution on marine life. Additionally, supporting organizations dedicated to sea turtle conservation, whether through donations, volunteering, or simply spreading the word, can amplify our efforts. Every small action adds up, and together we can make a big impact on the future of sea turtles, ensuring that these ancient mariners continue to thrive for generations to come. In the description, I've provided links to organizations if anyone is interested in knowing more or helping their cause. Well, that wraps up today's episode of Marine Biology in 5 minutes. I hope you enjoyed learning about sea turtles and the challenges they face. If you did, please subscribe and share this podcast with your friends. You can also find me on Instagram or Facebook at Marine Bio in 5. Join me next time as we continue our series on sea turtles, where we'll dive deeper into each species and explore their unique stories. Until then, keep wondering and keep exploring. Thank you for listening.